Biana mokana ke bebe, te mankuja ukitila bebe. Biana mokana ke. Ooh la la yo, mama. Ooh la 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 yo. Ooh la la yo, mama. Ooh la 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 yo. Ooh la. We can solve our problem.
Anyway, tell us a little bit about love. Anyway.
Love is, to me, love is life itself.
Really?
Yeah.
It's life.
Love is everything. Yeah.
I know. And you look like love.
Okay. Baby, not moi je t'aime. Baby, I love you. Tell me anything you need, I will do for you. I will buy for you. Say I will do for you. Yeah.
What's gonna be your best advice to those who are cheating their lovers tonight?
Well, cheating is not only from one side, because when someone cheats, it means most of the time that they're missing something at home. So communication is the key.
Yeah.
If you don't like your relationship that you're in, meaning that you're looking for something else, then you should just talk to your partner about it. Because if you're missing something, then maybe you haven't talked to your partner yet, and the partner doesn't even know what you're missing. So that's my advice.
Nobody wanna see us together, but you can matter now.
Anywhere you take, I go take trouble. We are international. I say Coco, my one and if you're not how you want, I go buy you. Baby, take my hand, baby, got it. We are international. If you think I'm gonna live it up for me, if you live in a time like this, you can live in this I can resist it, baby. I go make sure you're not to the low I go. International, do you forget you better make a song of we go. If you not have a home, then you like this guy. If you too tired to talk, I don't lie. If you leave me today, I won't die. If you think I'm gonna leave, I'm gonna leave.
My name is Royal Messenjah. One daughter of the Gambian.
And I can see really the place looks like so nice and it's well organized, and it seems like it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, it is. And today is Valentine besides. Yeah. How do you feel about that?
Yes, I think we celebrate it once in a year, like every year once, but we do celebrate our own every day too.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how do you celebrate it?
We always show our love. We sing for our wife, we dance for them.
City boy, you're my you, I cannot
It's only the Senegalese people that come to Gambia and do this kind of event.
Yeah.
So for me, we are Gambians. We can do way better.
Bigger than this.
Bigger than this, you understand? We have to start setting standard. You understand?
Yeah.
This is my thing. This was the idea behind everything.
Yeah.
You understand? So thank God that we made it.
In the beginning, I was thinking that nobody will come because the ticket was like $2,000, which was not actually costly.
But people came.
Yeah, they came and they actually enjoy it. I saw them eating. I saw them, dancing. I saw them, moving with you. And tell me, what really give you the courage to do this?
Well, rejuvenating myself because I'm branding myself. And if you're branding yourself, you must set standard. And setting standard, you have to do what other people are not doing. So I just have the courage because I'm an artist and it's me, it's Royal Messenjah. I'm gifted, so I have to do it.
And what was your favorite music today that you did?
Well, my favorite is always Yai Boy.
Yai Boy. Can you give us any freestyle again? We want to pick up from there.
Yes, I.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much. And we hope to see a show like this, Gambians. And I think this is very important. Let us support our own artists in the Gambia, because if we support them, that shows that we support ourselves. If we do not support them, that means we do not support ourselves. So supporting them is like we supporting ourselves. And this is the beauty of Gambia. Remember, Gambia is the smiling coast of Africa. It's a home for everybody. But whenever we are trying to celebrate people like them, we should always come out. Today, I'm so glad that we have seen so many of young ladies and gentlemen in the building. It was super cool. On that note, what will be your final message to the people that are watching you live on VM International TV?
My final message is, we love Gambia and we are Gambians. Let's support Gambians.
All right, thank you so much. Another Royal Messenjah support. So on that note, nafte FM Pamolia, because being voluntarily and alungo diara bage.
Alungo kaya tambita diara. Our Royal fans will content.
Exactly.
Content. And then Buffalo Gambian le call until bemu kilinete, And then Momondi program so mission fonsinam fanalena at least hanin man play fana bananare katara kumul kono fana important. So Royal mu family leti mo betolong good musician olong good vocalist le. And then abe menki kadiyata Gambia bile.
Exactly. And then the environment was so cool. Mobi were sitting iba enjoying ka dolmo movement of nyam panantaka. Afu muleta fana ye fu je wokono nyadila.
Yeah, wolon rek ko Gambia lon rek. Royal mu Gambian ol tanda abe menki kan mo ma bayal. Balandi kan silo kan and then Gambian ol fintra na ya support. Alhamdulillah, me yinda money in Kakan, and then I'm happy to be honest. I will tell on Jelima direct as usual on the 20th of February, Metropolitan Kairaba Beach.
Okay.
All on album launching, fans will maybe invite, Lambe Gambia be invite.
Okay.
Already from Savono, at the Amomancia, ticket all bantal, the Niman ticket all bantal, the Niman ticket all bantal. That's in the best line for Molbe Kuna, all on problem.
Okay, so never hell of West use the Manindorong. Yeah, the Mulla on the VM International TV.
Ikanake, Diana Mokanake, baby, Temankuja Ukitila, baby, Diana Mokanake.
Wow, that's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Abaraka.
VM International TV. Jelling Ali Kuntone, Allah Lodulale Ninya Gambia.
Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos.